It's a 2017 Buick LaCrosse. What sets this LaCrosse apart from other luxury sedans? Its mix of comfort, technology, and performance innovations that results in exceptional substance and style. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the LaCrosse, Edmunds.com writes, a well-rounded large sedan that pampers its occupants and drives nicely. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.